Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make a professional resume using ChatGPT. As we all know, we can make a standard resume using ChatGPT, the free one, but with the ChatGPT Plus, you can make your resume much more professional if you are applying for a certain company and their needs are much higher and their standards are much higher. So you need to be subscribed to ChatGPT Plus. Go over to settings and beta, make sure that over to beta features that plugins are enabled. So go ahead and go over to plugin store. And you just have to search for professional resume. And Aaron build resume, make sure you make use of this one. And you just have to install this on your ChatGPT account. So you just have to make an account here. So you just have to go ahead and make use of that. And over here, when you make a new chat, make sure GPT-4 is selected and make sure that plugins. So for example, you create a new chat. Make sure plugins is enabled. Aaron build resume. Make sure that is the only plugins enabled. And on here, you just have to go over and um, create a resume. For example, create me a professional resume about cruise chef. So in here, you can also upload your current version of your resume and upload it here on the link. And you just have to go on over and upload that because what this will do is it will convert your resume into a more professional one. So in here, for demonstration purposes, we can make use of or to create one from scratch. So for example, you don't have a resume, so please make me one from scratch. So there, so can you let's try and tell ChatGPT to make us a generated one so we can edit it afterwards. Like that, as you can see, guys. So there, guys, this is very easy. So all you have to do is copy and paste this and make use and design this. And there, guys. So you can also transfer this to a design with Canva. So you just have to go ahead and create a design on Canva here. So you just have to search for resume. And you just have to copy and paste that here. And you just have to edit the details right here. So you just have to copy and paste this and you should be good to go, guys. So there, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.